Hello, welcome to Black Coal Woodworking. Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm making a disc sander that I can put on the lathe. I happen to have an old orbital sander that broke and I reordered the pad for it, but that pad was just too heavy and it didn't actually work anymore, so I decided to repurpose that pad. The piece of wood I'm using is a scrap of 2x6. I'm really just taking it down to round with a 1/2 inch spindle gouge. I found that if you start the cut with a bit of a scraping motion and then rotate till you get a good shaving coming off the tool, then you start to get a really good cut. And after a while you kind of just get to know the angle of attack and start with that. Here I'm using the point of the tool and floating the bevel as I go. This type of shear cut leaves a much smoother finish. I need to flatten out the bottom to make sure that the pad I'm going to mount there sits firmly. I'm using the 1/2 inch spindle gouge here again. This is my attempt to make sure it's really flat. I have a 1 inch flat scraper and I'm just using it to do my best to make sure it's ultra flat. I measured the holes on the pad that I want to mount and transferred that measurement to the piece of wood. And you kind of just line the points up and then you can see exactly where it's going to go. I used a pencil as well, as you can see, just to make it clearer for me. And then I used a drill press to drill the holes, and then really just mounted the pad with the screws that came with the pad. Time for the first test. Yes, I am mounting this with the worm screw. I found that it was just the easiest. I could have brought down the thickness of this block a bit, but I figured I'd leave it and it may help. Maybe that extra weight just helps it spin a little better, kind of like a flywheel. So I saw that it ran really true and I was super excited about that. While sanding this piece of wood, I didn't feel any vibrations at all. It just ran really well. So overall, I'm super pumped. I'm so glad this worked out so well and can't wait to use it on future projects. So if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if I've earned it. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.